Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we'll discuss about a topic product owner. Friend, today's topic is very important and very interesting with respect to the implementation of project management, especially software development. Friend, if you are a student and studying project management and Scrum and Agile, so you will definitely see this topic in the exam, and at least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in the exam, in which your concept related to product owner will definitely be checked. So your knowledge, your concept should be very clear about this topic if you are a student and studying project management. Secondly, if you are a project manager or you are already working in any organization as a professional, and or you are working and managing multiple several projects, so your knowledge, your information should be very clear about product owner if you are implementing projects by using the Scrum methodology. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Friend, this topic we have taken from the Scrum framework, Scrum body of knowledge, product owner. First of all, we have to understand that what is basically the Scrum. A Scrum is a methodology, is a framework which we use for the implementation of software development projects. And a Scrum, what is basically the first of all we have to understand what is a Scrum actually. Friend, a Scrum is based on the methodology concept of agile methodology. Agile says that the software development should be agile, should be flexible, and should be adjustable, and we do the things by using the iterative approach actually. See friend, let me give you an example here. First of all, try to focus and try to grasp the concept of Scrum here. Friend, Scrum says that, for example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution for a customer and you have to deliver 40 tasks to a customer. Okay, if you use the waterfall approach, what you will do, you have to plan, develop, test, and then deliver it to the customer. This is the approach of waterfall model. Now, if we talk about the Scrum approach, in the Scrum framework, what we do, like we have to we use the sprint approach. Sprint is a time box, 3 to 4 weeks time period, in which what we do, like we can take the 10 tasks from the product backlog. Product backlog is the all overall the requirements. So what we can do, sprint 1 will consist of 10 tasks, and we do plan, develop, test, and deliver it to the customer. Then sprint 2 will take the next 10 tasks, sprint 3 then next 10 tasks, and sprint 4 the next 10 tasks. So that means that till we reach sprint 4, we can complete all the sprint 4, and each sprint will consist of plan, develop, test, and deliver it to the customer. So till we reach sprint 4, that means we complete all the 40 tasks and deliver it to the customer. Friend, that is called as the concept of Scrum framework. Now friend, in the Scrum framework there are three roles, major roles. First role is the product owner, then the next one is the Scrum Master, and then the next one is the Scrum Team. So there are three roles: product owner, Scrum Master, and Scrum Team. Product owner is a person who has the complete knowledge, he has the complete control over the project, and he knows what we need to deliver. So he is the person who has the complete vision about the product or project which we are going to deliver. First thing. Scrum Master is another role. He is a person, he is a facilitator for the team, and he has a complete knowledge about Scrum framework, Scrum methodology, and he makes sure that the team progress well by using the methodology and framework of Scrum. So he is the person who has the complete knowledge about the Scrum framework, Scrum agile methodology, and he will make sure that the team and the product owner are following the framework of Scrum. And also he is a facilitator for the product owner and for the Scrum team. If there is any issue during the implementation of project, so he will make sure that there should not be any issue. The Scrum team consists of the software, the core team, basically development team. Development team means like software engineers, software developers, QA persons, testers, application developers, so database engineers. So these are network engineers. So these are the core team for the development, and they are self-organized and self-motivated. Now, friend, today's topic is mainly about product owner. So we will talk about mainly about product owner. Friend, the product owner is a person who has the complete vision about the development, about the vision. Um, he can clearly express product backlog item. Product backlog means that the complete requirement, functional requirements of a user, of a customer. Like for example, just take the same example of e-commerce solution. So for example, if there are 40 tasks which defines the complete requirement of a e-commerce solution of a customer, so all those 40 requirements will clearly define in the product backlog. And the product owner is a person, he has the complete knowledge that what needs to be delivered to customer, what needs to be delivered to the customer. So he can clearly explain the product backlog to the to the Scrum team. Actually, order the items in the product backlog to best achieve goals and missions. He knows the priority as well, that what needs to be done first and what needs to be done second. So he has the clear vision about the priority as well. Optimize the value of the work the development team perform. He will also know that how we can optimize the work progress. Ensure that the product backlog is visible, transparent, and clear to all, and shows what the Scrum team will work on next. So he will also make sure the product backlog should be clearly defined, should be clearly visible to all team members. Ensure the development team understand items in the product backlog to the level needed. Friend, see, the product owner, just try to understand from there that he is a person who has the complete knowledge, vision about the product. He will make sure that all the team members should have the clear visibility and clear understanding about the product backlog. Product backlog is a document which has the complete knowledge, functional requirements described in the product backlog. Product owner is a person who is empowered. Empowered means that he has the authority, he can take the decisions. For example, if someone says, if a product owner says that this should be done first and this should be done second, so he can take the decision. He can take the decision that this requirement is not necessary, we can do it later, we can drop it, etc., etc. So product owner is the empowered person. That means that he is the authority, he is the power to take the decisions. Business savvy means that knows the business, the customer, and the market. He has the business knowledge as well. He knows that what is the business scenario, what is the customer, exactly what customer want, and what is the business requirement. Pervasive, able to work well with the team and stakeholder. He should be very good communicator. He should be very good communicator among the customer and with the Scrum team as well. Knowledgeable, knows the market and the product, grasp production challenges. Friend, whatever the product you are going to build, for example, you are building a mobile application which customer used to order the food. So he knows the market situation, he knows the production challenges. So he should be a person that very well know about the product challenges. Available is ready, accessible to the team and to the stakeholder. He should be available whenever you need it. For example, you have any query about the product backlog, product requirement, functional requirement, so he would be available through call, through meetings, so etc. So he is a person who should be available whenever the team is required any information. So product owner, friend, in short, if we talk about, there are three things which are very important. First of all, he is the customer voice. Customer voice means that actually he is a person who knows about the product, and what exactly customer want. Actually he knows it very well and he can communicate it to the Scrum team. So he is a customer voice communicator. He is a very good communicator. He can communicate very well with the Scrum team, with the customer. So he should have a very good communication skills in written and in verbal as well. Decider, he is a person who can take the decisions. He can set the priority for the task. He can take the decision for the betterment of the project. So he is a empowered person as well. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you, thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.